Yeah, Vera, you mentioned that several girls from that high school became mathematicians. But nevertheless, as you grew in your career in Hungary, you were always surrounded virtually entirely with men. How did this men's society receive you and react to you?
This was never an issue in my life, I must say, from the very beginning, from the age of 14, when I started to be interested in mathematics, that now it could be a disadvantage for me to be a mathematician because I am a girl.
So nobody ever suggested to you, even from your youngest year, that's not a girl-like thing to solve mathematical problems?
It was never an issue in my life in Hungary. It was never an issue in my own life at any other part of the world. But I must say that I had to learn that this is a serious problem when I came to the States, and maybe the first time in the middle of 60s, and then since that very regularly. And of course, the 60s were the most important years from the point of view of feminism. And then I had to learn that this is an issue. It is a very delicate issue, and there are very different answers in the mathematical world in Hungary. This was never an issue, or at least maybe I did not have sense for it, but I never felt any sort of discrimination. But you are also a man in Hungary, so you maybe know better than I do. Did you discuss that question behind me?
Okay, I can say what my impression was. I mean, as I grew up, I attended a mathematically specialized high school class. There were 39 of us, and 1/3 of that were girls, 2/3 were boys. And I didn't have the impression that there was any distinction either from the teachers or from the students themselves. We were very competitive, and whoever was the better problem solver was the better. That was really the interest. And some of the girls were very good problem solvers also. But I am always a little bit afraid that I am only representing really what my male point of view was. So I cannot say that was how the girls in the class felt.
I think that any sort of quota or that sort of positive discrimination will not help.